Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! And happy birthday, Baba, and all the smileys out there. 2018 was awesome. In 2019, we will be more committed to our YouTube channel and maybe even open an Instagram page. In 2019, I have a lot of resolutions. I want to be more committed to my art. Another resolution is that I want to be more active, and I want to join a ice skating class. I have done rollerblading and skating before, so I want to put it to the next level and do ice skating. Some of my New Year resolutions are also staying active, and I'm thinking to do ice skating and basketball. Another resolution is that I want to do better in math. Once you get to 6th or 7th grade, it would be really hard. So I want to improve in that, and I want to learn how to play an instrument. I'm thinking about playing the piano and taking classes for it. And I want to collect rocks. I like collecting rocks because I want to be an archaeologist when I grow up. And I mean, they're cool, so yeah. I also, that doesn't make sense. Say, okay. Also, I want to beat everyone in the science fair. How did you know? Twin telepathy. Okay. Also, I want to beat everybody in the science fair, and I want to beat you at the spelling bee. And you know what happens? So Rahma has all the trophies, and I collect all medals and stuff because our school switches it. One spelling bee, there's these tiny trophies, and then there's these big ones, and then in the science fair, they were trophies. Then when I won 3rd place with my partner, we got medals. Everyone got medals. It's just they keep switching it, so I don't know if I'm gonna get a medal or a trophy. Yeah. Story time ended. Thank you guys for giving us some time off of your day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and send me some rocks. And have a great year. And yeah. Happy New Year! We wish you peace and love. Mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. But don't be a plummy pebble. That's my catchphrase. Don't be a plummy pebble.